Do you want to know why choosing the right keyword phrases for your website is really important? Do you want to know how to choose those keyword phrases in 3 easy steps? Hi everyone, I'm Chris Bindley and I'm the founder of Straight Up Digital. We're a digital marketing agency based on the Gold Coast in Australia, and today I'm going to share with you the process for selecting the right keyword phrases for your website to get you to the top of Google and help you dominate your industry online. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give us a like, share the page, and also subscribe to our channel for further SEO hints and tips. Today we're going to talk about keyword phrases in 3 key areas. Number 1, we're going to talk about keyword choice. Number 2, we're going to talk about how many keyword phrases to choose. And number 3, reporting. Number 1, which keyword phrase? Now there's a variety of different tools out there. We've found a really helpful tool from Neil Patel called Suggest. You can either Google that or we'll leave the link in the description. And with this tool, you can check out with your keyword phrases things like monthly search traffic and also a rough scale of 0 to 100 on how competitive that phrase is. So you can use that tool, you can build a list of keyword phrases for your website. Number 2, how many keyword phrases should you use? It depends on the complexity of the website, how many pages that you have, and we'll go into the overall content strategy in a later video. We recommend that you focus on 1 to 2 keyword phrases per page. And 3, reporting. To measure the success of your campaign, we recommend that you check the rankings of your keyword phrases. And there's a really cool tool from SEMrush. Again, you can Google that, or we'll leave the link in the description below, where you can put in your keyword phrases and it will check on a daily, weekly, monthly basis. We recommend fortnightly or monthly, just so that you're not monitoring them too often. Okay, so today we've talked about keyword phrases in 3 key areas. Firstly, it was which keyword phrases. Secondly, how many keyword phrases. And finally, we talked about keeping a track of those keyword phrases ranks with reporting. If you enjoyed our video today, as we said before, please press like, also share and subscribe for further SEO hints and tips. And what we'll do in another video is drill down in more detail on the overall content strategy. Plus what we'll do is we'll put the links to SEMrush and Suggest in the description.